Gusto niyo bang bumili ng mga damit? Damit? Punta na kayo dito sa Bernice Fashion Boutique.
And I am Andrew Blake.
I'm Gemma. My first question is, what are your short-term and long-term business goals?
Our short-term goal is to set up a business in this area, and our long-term goal was to support our family's financial needs.
Okay, and the second question is, how do you differentiate your products or services from competitors?
I would say that we are offering reasonable prices to cater students and the likes.
Okay. And what strategies do you have in place for customers' retention and satisfaction?
To be consistent, affordable, and up to date fashion trends, so that keep up.
Okay. So I am Jill. So this is the fourth question. How do you handle challenges and setback in your business?
By continuously improving and learn from setbacks. So
Okay. And what metrics do you use to measure the success of your business?
the metrics we use are the profit against capital and having loyal customers.
Okay, thank you.
I'm Riza. Here's my question. How do you stay updated on industry trends and changes?
We stay updated through social media and from the feedback of the customers.
This is my seventh question. What is your approach to employee training and development?
Para ito, it is not applicable kay we don't have employees.
How do you prioritize and manage your time effectively as a business owner?
We spend our time by having time management.
So I'm Gainley. This is our last question, sir. How do you handle financial planning and budgeting for your business?
So we create separate and maintain those separate accounts for different expenses in the business.
So, what is your vision for the future of your business?
Our vision is to maintain the business and to see it grow for the from the upcoming years. Amala.
Wait lang.